Wow, look at that.
Wow, isn't that pretty?
Look at those things. Are you gonna smoke these, Katie?
I think that these ones were just moving over to the ladder.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm not ready yet.
What mess?
What mess? All the stuff. This is Maria.
Hi, Maria.
She's a new for kids.
And that's an alewife, I guess, right?
Yeah. And then the adult one has just your regular, this one.
Ah.
See?
Going back down there.
Oh.
Look at the side.
Good swimming, isn't it? Look at that. Wow.
Nice.
Lombard toolbox?
Yeah, actually, most Lombards came equipped with a toolbox, and Don Johnson had the remains of an original. So I measured up a few years ago, and I figured that this Lombard wouldn't be complete without one. So now I tried to match the paint as close as possible, but give it time, it'll match.
Drive?
Goes very nice. Steers easier than the steam Lombard. Oh, but yeah, very nice machine.
Byron is working with this young lady from the university as an art student, and we have been working through making hooks and using forging techniques.
Wow.
Starting to smoke her tomorrow.
Wow.
We're just gonna dry them out for tonight.
You need to replenish your supply.
That was a good day.